Hello guys, welcome back to another video from Pest Boss YT. I have been uploading the video tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Has been a problem of 300 coins, so I'm just solved this problem. So that's why I'm here to share it with you. And register your account, your Konami account, Konami ID now, and get 300 coins on 17th of June after maintenance. There will be a normal maintenance on Konami website about PES Mobile and all other games which are related to Konami, and on 17th of June after that we will get 300 coins if you register now. Okay, I'm telling the procedure now. First of all, I'm going to thank you all for 750 subscribers. We are building a very good community, and download this VPN. It will help you to solve this problem. Okay, the link will be in description. Okay, first of all you have to go to extras, user details, and nationality should be Japan, not other country other than Japan. You have to go in Asia, Oceania, and you find Japan and pick the Japan. Okay, switch it to Japan, it will be help, and connect the VPN to Japan server and go into your messages. You will find the third notification. It will be about the 300 coins campaign. Click on it, and then you will file a notification. You can see that. Also click on that first link and it will be open. Okay, after opening this you will find a website about Konami. It is loading. Wait, okay, waiting. Yeah, it's open here. You will have to click on that first blue link you can see here. Yeah, that's first blue. The details are being given. You can translate it in English also, but no need of this. We have to register our Konami ID first, and you can see, click on this link, and it will open the original form where we will log in with our Konami ID to get register for 300 football coins. Okay, click on the login with Konami ID, then put your Konami ID and password here. I'm not going to show you the password and my Konami ID. You can put the password here. See, after using the proper server of Japan and changing your region to Japan, you will able to log in with your Konami ID. So that's it for the problem. You have been registered. You can, once you are registered, you are easily to the page with your game and play your normal game. You can disconnect the Konami server of Japan. Also, you will get your coins on 17th June, and that's all. Thank you for viewing the video and sharing the video. Share it with your friends. Get your 300 football coins, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and help me get 1K soon. So that's it. Goodbye. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.